Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you probably one of the nicest M-Series loaders for sale right now. This is a 2017 Bobcat S595. There is 389 original hours on this machine. It's being sold as a package, skid steer, bucket, and a like new Bobcat 9BH. This was all sold new as a package at our local dealer. There is 389 original hours, cab, heat, air, 2-speed joystick. Guys, it's freezing bitter cold here today in Pennsylvania. We're getting ready to have a big snowstorm. You want to talk about a nice skid steer? Here is one to look at. Again, this thing's all original paint. A couple scratches on the back door, but it is absolutely beautiful machine. Very clean. We went right over to the dealer, picked up a full set of filters, engine oil, fuel, air, hydraulic, air filters have all been changed. Everything's done, labeled. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company. And I mean it, you are not going to find a nice one. This thing is in beautiful shape. 2,200 pound of lift, does have the counterweight kit on it. Tires are OEM Bobcat. They are a 31 by 12 16.5 super float tire. Again, beautiful, beautiful setup. 72-inch Bobcat, or 74-inch, I believe that is. Bobcat, smooth edge bucket with bolt-on cutting edge, power bob attach, Backhoe mounting group is on it. Auxiliary hydraulics with case drain. Take you inside the cab here real quick if I don't fall off this bucket. Again, guys, very clean. Take you in here and show you quick. There's no air codes in this machine. 389 hours. Park brake. This is a 2-speed cab, heat, air, air works. I have the door sensor here unhooked because we were moving the backhoe around. ISO or joystick, or ISO or H pattern like in the old case. Foot throttle. And I'm going to turn this back over to you. Guys, it is cold. That's why we're cutting this short. This machine's 100%. You will not find a nicer S595 in the market. A 595 is 2,200 pound of lift, 74 horse turbo. So this has the bigger motor in it like used in the S650, T650. We're going to start this up, run it, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, guys, very, very nice machine. It is like 17 degrees here right now. It started out here today at like 30. We're getting ready for this big snowstorm they're talking about. I guess maybe I'll believe it when I see it. I don't know. But if you're looking for a nice machine, Landon's over there. My cell phone's dead from being in this cold. Landon's phone's on 25%. So we're trying to catch this video here. It's Friday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. It's been a long week. So, 2-speed travel. Horn. Guys, these are the last of the good machines in my opinion. You can't, the newer M stuff they started remaking are not like these older M's. These were the machines that Bobcat, as far as I'm concerned, some of the best stuff Bobcat ever made is right here. You know, always like these machines. And once, you know, if you're a big S185 fan, in my opinion, once you run one of these, you wouldn't run an S185 or a 205, because that's truthfully really what this was replacing, was a 205. Power bob attach, guys. Again, you are not going to find one of these like this out in the market. We do a lot of research and I know what I own and what I got. I like nice stuff. You can see here, I'm running in joystick control, okay? All joystick. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reset this to H pattern. I can run this like an old case skid loader, okay? I'll reset it back. I'm back to ISO joystick. That way you know that all works. Cab heat air, wiper washer, all works. So, like I said, we do pride ourselves in these videos. We're just trying to get done here for the day. If you are looking for a nice machine, you want a quality skid steer, here is a machine to take a look at. It is going to be very, very hard to find a package like this machine in Backhoe, okay? It just is. You're not going to find it. It's not out there. I was lucky to even have bought this machine. Again, private, one-owner machine. It is set up. It is ready to go to work. We did a full service like we do here at our company. We truthfully go through stuff so we know what we have. There are a lot of guys out there that do not do that, okay? Guys, very clean. This does have auto idle on it. It is auxiliary hydraulics and standard flow. Absolutely beautiful, clean machine. All the lights work. Again, you are buying this machine. Machine, backhoe attachment, everything is complete. It will be sold as a package only. This is a part 2 video, by the way. Landon, where are we at on your percentage on your battery? About 4%?
Yeah.
Guys, you got any questions? This unit is a cut and drive machine. I don't mean that to be rude. Not that anything else that we do isn't. If you come and see this and you find a problem with this machine, it is something wrong with you, and I don't mean that disrespectfully. This is a beautiful, original, clean. All the zinc plating is beautiful. It was kept inside. Same with the backhoe. Just an absolutely beautiful piece. You will not find something like this out in today's market for sale. 814-658-3066. Again, 389 hours, cab, heat, air, 2017, 9BH backhoe attachment, auxiliary hydraulics, joystick loader controls. Very nice machine, guys. 100% ready to go to work. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Stay warm and enjoy the snow.